Looking for the best digital piano in 2025? Whether you're a beginner, a professional pianist, or just love playing music, we've got you covered. From premium stage pianos with lifelike key action to budget-friendly home pianos, this list has something for everyone. Stay tuned as we break down the top 10 best digital pianos in 2025, helping you find the perfect sound, feel, and features for your needs. Let's dive in. Number 1. Kawai MP11SE, best for professional pianists. The Kawai MP11SE is a top-tier stage piano designed for serious pianists and professionals. It features Kawai's grand feel wooden key action, which closely mimics the feel of an actual acoustic grand piano. This key action, combined with the Shigeru Kawai SKEX piano sound engine, produces one of the most expressive and natural piano tones available in a digital piano. This model includes a wide selection of sounds, from acoustic pianos to electric pianos and organs, making it suitable for stage performances and studio work. The built-in effects and EQ settings allow musicians to fine-tune their sound to perfection. However, the MP11SE is quite heavy and expensive, which makes it less ideal for beginners or those needing a portable option. Number 2. Yamaha P-525, best for authentic sound and feel. The Yamaha P-525 is an excellent portable digital piano that combines great sound, realistic key feel, and modern connectivity. Yamaha's virtual resonance modeling (VRM) technology ensures that every note resonates like a real acoustic piano, providing rich harmonics and depth. The graded hammer 3X GH3X key action offers responsive touch dynamics, making this a great choice for serious pianists who want a realistic feel in a compact design. Additionally, its powerful onboard speakers deliver impressive sound quality. The Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to connect to smart devices and music apps, adding more versatility. While the P-525 has professional-grade sound and key action, it may not have all the features of more expensive stage pianos. Number 3. Kawai ES920, best portable digital piano. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful digital piano, the Kawai ES920 is a fantastic choice. It features Kawai's responsive Hammer 3 key action, which gives it an acoustic-like touch while still being easy to transport. The Harmonic Imaging XL sound engine ensures that each note sounds full and expressive, capturing the nuances of a real grand piano. One of its biggest advantages is its built-in Bluetooth MIDI and audio streaming, allowing musicians to connect wirelessly to music apps, recording software, or even external speakers. While it is a fantastic portable option, it may not have the same level of sound customization as some higher-end models. Number 4. Donner DDP-300, best budget digital piano. For beginners or those on a budget, the Donner DDP-300 provides excellent value without sacrificing too much quality. It features fully weighted keys with hammer action, which gives it a realistic touch response similar to acoustic pianos. The stereo sound engine produces a warm, clear piano tone, and the built-in speakers are good enough for home practice. While it lacks advanced features like Bluetooth and high-end sound customization, it is a great choice for learning and practice. This model is perfect for those looking for an affordable digital piano without compromising too much on key action and sound quality. Number 5. Roland FP-30X, best for versatility. The Roland FP-30X is a fantastic mid-range digital piano that offers a perfect balance of sound quality, portability, and features. It is powered by Roland's supernatural sound engine, which delivers rich and dynamic piano tones, making it ideal for both home use and live performances. Its PHA-4 standard keyboard provides an authentic touch that mimics a real acoustic piano, making it a great choice for beginners and advanced players alike. The FP-30X also includes Bluetooth connectivity, USB compatibility, and built-in speakers, making it versatile enough for a variety of settings. However, while it offers high-quality sound, it does not have the same level of sound customization as some professional models. Number 6. Casio PX-S7000, best slim and stylish piano. For those looking for a sleek, modern digital piano, the Casio PX-S7000 is one of the slimmest options on the market. Despite its compact design, it delivers exceptional sound quality thanks to Casio's AR sound engine. The smart hybrid hammer action keys provide an excellent touch response, making it a great choice for those who want both style and performance. Additionally, its built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless integration with music apps. While it offers a fantastic balance of design and playability, it does not have as many advanced sound editing features as some higher-end models. Number 7. Nord Grand. Best for stage performers. The Nord Grand is a premium stage piano designed for professional musicians who need the best sound and feel for live performances. It features Nord's high-end key action, which delivers an extremely realistic grand piano feel with incredible dynamic control. With hundreds of sound presets, customizable effects, and intuitive controls, this piano is perfect for performers who need versatility and reliability on stage. However, it is one of the most expensive models on this list, making it best suited for serious musicians and professionals rather than casual players. Number 8. Yamaha YDP-165 Best Home Digital Piano. The Yamaha YDP-165 is a great choice for those looking for a high-quality home piano. It features Yamaha's pure CF sound engine, which delivers an authentic grand piano tone, capturing the rich harmonics and resonance of an acoustic instrument. The graded hammer standard GHS keyboard provides a natural playing experience, and its elegant design makes it an attractive addition to any home. While it is not as portable as other models, it is an excellent option for home practice and learning. So, which digital piano caught your eye? Whether you're going for the realistic touch of the Kawai MP11SE, the versatility of the Roland FP-30X, or the budget-friendly Donner DDP-300, there's a perfect piano out there for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates on the best musical gear. Keep playing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.